Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to use categories in Acuity Scheduling, the easiest way to organize your service so clients don't get overwhelmed with booking. Whether you offer coaching, beauty services, or classes, categories help keep things clean, organized, and professional. Once you're in your Acuity dashboard, click on Appointment Types from the left sidebar. This is where all your services like one-on-one appointments or group classes are managed. To create a category, click either New Service or New Group Class. Let's say we're adding a new service. Name it something like Consultations. Then customize it by adding details like a description, image, connected calendar, forms, or any resources. Click Create once you're done. If you already have services, you can move them into a category by editing the service and selecting a category from the drop-down. Once your categories are set, go ahead and group similar services under each one. This keeps your booking page tidy and easier for clients to navigate. To see how your categories look, just click Preview, then View Live. You'll now see each category listed as tabs or sections, super simple for your clients to browse and book from. And that's it. Acuity's category feature is a small setup that makes a difference. It keeps your service list professional, helps clients find what they need faster, and boosts bookings in 2025.